like a monkey stand right now. What's up, people? Hope you all are staying safe and sane in these insane times. It's been one hell of a week for me, but it's also been a really busy week with a lot of grad school work. Finally started working out again after I took a couple of days off because I was changing hostels so much. And I've been surfing a lot lately for like the last 5 days straight. It's a lot of fun. I have no idea what I'm doing, but it's a great way to have fun and meet people. Now all big waves tonight. Let's see. Ooh, there's one coming. I'm gonna make a whole different video about surfing, but this one's gonna be about hiking and food. I've been in Hawaii for a full 4 weeks now, and I still haven't tried any traditional Hawaiian food. So today I've decided I'm gonna try and change that. And it's been a little tricky because some of the more popular Hawaiian dishes like the poke bowl are all seafood and I don't eat fish, but I found this family-run eatery called Daona Hawaiian Food that seems to have some chicken dishes that I like, so I'm gonna go check that out now. Yes, 1 chicken luau, 1 sweet potato, and 1 fried rice, please. Or just rice, not fried rice.
So you're gonna put it
On YouTube, maybe?
on YouTube?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. And we have a much more tasty food, but
Yeah, okay.
one by
One by one? Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. Got the food, now I just need to find a place to eat it. I found myself this little spot under a tree next to this park that's closed, and I got chicken luau, which is a classic Hawaiian dish made with luau leaves, slowly simmered, mixed with coconut milk and shredded chicken. It's usually made with squid, but I picked chicken because I don't eat seafood. And I got some nice sweet potatoes and rice, because I'm Asian. This is delicious. It's really good. I wasn't really expecting this to be like a soup, but this is really good. Let's try the sweet potatoes. I don't know if you can see it, but this is purple. No, this food is amazing. And the person running it seemed really nice and friendly too. He was asking me if I have a lot of YouTube followers, and I was like, no, not really. So I think I disappointed him a little bit. But I'll definitely be coming back to this place to try more Hawaiian food. By the way, this little segment of the video, the food tasting part, this is from 2 days into the future from the rest of the video. But what happened was the first time when I went to that place, it was closed because, you know, hours on Google Maps are not very reliable during a pandemic. So instead of finding another Hawaiian food place, I just went to the Popeyes across the street because I was starving. And as much as I love Popeyes, when I went back and started editing the video, I realized that I could not do you guys justice by showing up Popeye run. So I came back here when this place was open to try some delicious food. But now back to the hike and the rest of the video. I'm not gonna lie, I'm still pretty exhausted from surfing, but I'm going on a hike to the Makapuu Lighthouse. I haven't been able to go on any hikes since last week because on the way down from the Coco Head hike, I slipped because I was wearing basketball shoes and I cut my ankle at the weirdest spot so that I couldn't even wear shoes. But yeah, I'm going with Gavin from last week, and he ended up moving into the dorms right in this bed next to me. That's my bed. Okay, so this trail looks more like a paved street that you could take a car on than a trail. I guess the Obama showed up here and they repaved it, so it's not really a real trail anymore. But that's good for me today because I'm wearing basketball shoes still. So during the winter, people often come here to do whale watching in the ocean next to us. but this is the wrong time of the year to be doing that. So this part of the hike is freaking gorgeous, but also really windy right now. Also, I just saw an elderly Asian family listening to Taste by Taiga on their speakers. Definitely wasn't expecting to hear that from them. I think I can see the end of the trail in sight. Here is definitely the best of the hikes so far. So if you start off with something dull, don't worry too much because it definitely gets better at this end. Looks a lot like Ireland. Never been to Ireland, but I imagine this is what Ireland looks like. Anyways, I'm gonna finish up for this vlog right here. I'll see you guys on the next vlog, which is also gonna be from Hawaii.